driven by your heart or your history, or even hysteria. This video is about losing the heart connection. We have seen that real or feared loss circumstances in our current life activate our memory or history or hysteria around previous loss circumstances. This leads to emotions, and eventually, this defines our identity, who we believe we are, what we are deserving or fear to lose again. So our identity is defined by real or perceived and imagined loss circumstances in the most broadest sense of the word, based on memory, history, or hysteria. What happens to the heart energy in these situations? What happens to our willpower center? For one, it contracts. What does this mean in real life? First, we go back to how loss creates your identity. 1. Loss perception, the trigger layer. Loss is not just events, it's perceived threat to stability, connection, or identity. Examples for common loss signals: failure, I lost competence, value; rejection, breakup, I lost connection, love; disappointment, I lost expectation, certainty; betrayal, I lost trust, safety; illness, I lost control over body; death, I lost physical presence, attachment figure; financial setback, I lost security; being ignored, I lost significance. All of these activate the same core. Something I relied on is no longer stable. 2. Memory activation, meaning layer. Immediately the system pulls from reactivated memory, beliefs, past experiences, childhood imprints. Examples: people leave me; I'm not enough; I can't trust life. 3. Thought loop, the interpretation layer. Memory becomes active thinking, over-analyzing, predicting future loss, creating worst-case scenarios. Thoughts are aimed at attempting to regain control over your emotional safety. 4. Emotional activation, energy in motion. Now the body responds: fear, anxiety, sadness, anger. This is literally emotion, energy moving through your nervous system. 5. Identity formation. If this loop is repeated frequently, you develop the belief: this is not just happening. This is who I am. I am abandoned. I am unlucky. I am unsafe. That's who I am. Identity becomes a frozen emotional pattern. 6. Heart and will center response. Now we go to our key question: what happens to your heart energy and your willpower? Heart or connection center. What happens? The heart or connection center contracts, closes, withdraws trust. Why? If I don't open, I can't be hurt again. What happens to willpower, your stability field or father center? What happens? Your willpower collapses or overcompensates. 2 patterns. Collapse, leading to indecision, avoidance, passivity, or overdrive, leading to control, proving, forcing outcomes. 7. Behavioral output, beggar, bugger, or bonus being expression. Beggar state in verbal survival mode starts: explaining, defending, seeking validation. Bugger state in reactive survival mode starts: proving, attacking, withdrawing, or applying passive aggression. Both are attempts to avoid further loss. The bonus stability field state. Now the contrast. Heart coherence, the energetic description. The heart in coherence is open but not naive, grounded but not closed, connected without dependency. Energy feels like calm expansion, steady warmth, non-reactive presence. Will center, the healthy father energy, as we also named it, radiates. Clear direction, no need for control, ability to decide without fear. Core state, I can stay open even when life is uncertain. How this looks in real life. In relationships. No overgiving, no testing, no chasing. You allow connection, not force it. In boundaries, clear yes and no. No explaining or defending excessively. Boundaries come from self-respect, not fear. In life structure, decisions are made without needing guarantees. Consistency without rigidity. In connection, present, honest, not dependent on outcome. Core difference. Old identity belief system, I must protect myself from loss. New identity belief system, I can handle change without losing myself. Loss closes the heart when identity depends on form. The heart opens when identity expands beyond form. A closed heart is not protection, it is fear trying to prevent change.